Hello, my name is Andrew. I'm a rising freshman in Palo Alto High School, and today I completed my second milestone. So my main project is a vacuum robot, and let me just plug this in. Now, what I did in my second milestone, I connected my fan and a voltage divider onto my vacuum robot. So if you heard, you could barely hear it because it's kind of loud. The fan turned on, which will be able to suck in like the dust and dirt. And I also have a 3D printed container. It's not in here right now, but it will basically has a filter on it, so whatever the dirt and dust will get caught by the filter, and then the excess air coming from the fan will go out. And I also connected a voltage divider, which will lower or decrease the voltage coming into the Arduino. So what I can do is I can actually measure the voltage coming from the Arduino. I have a special code that you can see, and there's a formula there that basically takes the voltage coming from the voltage divider, or the lower down voltage, and then convert it back to the actual voltage from my lithium polymer battery. Because I couldn't connect the lithium polymer battery right into the Arduino because it can't handle that voltage, so it'll fry it up. So that's why I have that voltage divider. I also have this fan, which is connected to this MOSFET driver module. So I could actually turn the fan on and off, and I have a conditional statement. So if this battery voltage from the voltage divider that the Arduino is reading, if it reaches, let's say, over 3.8 volts, then the fan will turn on. And the reason why I have this voltage divider is because I want to read the voltage coming from the battery, because if you over discharge it, let's say to like 3.5 volts or lower than that, then you can possibly damage the battery or the lithium polymer batteries. And lithium polymer batteries, they kind of like to explode and catch on fire, so I don't want that to happen in my robot. So some challenges that I had was, as you can see, I added this bumper and some extra sensors that I still need to program. I only programmed the front two ones, but I had some trouble because all these sensors, I have three infrared sensors for each corner of the robot, so that's up to six sensors, and I ran out of analog pins. So what I did was actually use these two front sensors as digital pins instead of these analog ones. The reason why I used analog is because these sensors are sharp distance sensors, meaning it has an analog input, so you can measure the distance from the sensor and, let's say, the wall. But for the front ones, they don't change. It either detects something or it doesn't. But for like these sensors, they could change. So I connected my voltage divider into my analog pin so I can read the varying input. Thank you for listening.